Solanafunded is giving away $600,000. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to claim your own share. Solana has been doing this kind of a thing, and many people at the end will always receive a massive reward. Some will receive $1,000, some 100, depending on your ability. So in this video, we are going to look at step by step on how to register and claim points using Solanafunded. All you have to do is just to join the waitlist, connect your wallet, drop your Solana account, and you are good to go. So to do that, you have to click on this. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, kindly join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Now you are going to see the link here. You click on the waitlist. So this is it. What you need to do is to join the waitlist. Click on join the waitlist. Now they said step 1, verify your profile, connect your S account. So once you join the S account, you need to locate this dashboard where you perform tasks to earn points. Go to dashboard. Now this is it. This is your invite link. You share it to your friends and family. This is the invite link and receive 5 points. Now the next thing is you need to perform tasks. You join their Discord. I've done some of this. You follow them on S, you join their Telegram, you like and retweet. You just do the test, normal task, just do it to earn points. And after that, you come here, you will now see that you need to also submit your Solana address. Go to any Web3 wallet if you want to use Web3 wallet, or I recommend Phantom wallet. Go to your Phantom wallet and copy your Solana address. For those that don't know how to copy it, go to Phantom. If you have Phantom, go to your Phantom wallet. So once you open your Phantom wallet, you can now see that you have your Solana here. Just copy this, copy your Solana, click on the receive. You're going to see receive, tap on this receive and copy your address and move back to the app and paste it. I've done that yesterday. So this is what you need to do. Coming here, you will now see required, complete join Discord to become eligible for the $600K in funded accounts. So this is the requirement. You must join their Discord account for you to be qualified to share this 600,000. So what we need to do, this is the Telegram Discord account. That's the only task remaining. I want to do it so that people will understand, because it has a little trick. Now you click on this. If I click on verify now, I've already done it, but just click on verify. You need to click on join. You have to join their Discord. It's going to redirect you to Discord, whereby you scroll, you click on authorize. You click on this authorize, click on authorize. It authorize it. It has brought us up back here. Now to verify the account, you click on verify. Now you click on verify task here. Wait for, can you see task not verified? Make sure you have completed the task. Make sure you have completed the task. Now, once you say make sure you have completed the task, what you need to do is you can now see this pop-up block always show. Click on that always show. You saw it always show. Let me do it again so that you see. Now tap on this always show. Okay. Once you tap on the always show, allow it. It will now bring this interface for you. I know a lot of people we have this kind of challenge. I experienced it yesterday, so when I found out this morning, I said, okay, let me do this video so that other people will know what to do. Once you tap on all that always show, it will now redirect you to accept invite. You click on this accept invite. So it's going to bring you here on their Discord, whereby you click on accept invite again, accept the invitation again. Once you accept the invitation, enable notification, skip for now. So this is it. This is, if you can look here, you will see that we are in Solanafunded and they're active now. 600K giveaway, join the waitlist. This is their Discord handle. Now we need to start verification. Once you hear in any project that you must perform a Discord task, it comes in different ways. So we are going to start this verification. You can see verification here. Tap on it. Now, this is the verification. You have to click on, you have to click on start verification here. Once you tap on start verification, you scroll down, you can now see continue. So once you click on continue, now you will see choose the right button. See where I'm reading from? Choose the right button below that contains dashboard. Hint: to see the word, click on the empty space. We are not going to click on this empty space to see the word. Okay, this is the word. So this is the word. I'm going to tap on it. Can you see? Once you choose the right word, you will now see you have been verified. Add auth GG to your server. You have been verified. Without stress, you have been verified. So what you are going to do right now is to click on, make sure you see you have been verified before you now click on this arrow here. Now you come to your message and type anything. Good morning. Then you send. So this is me now, Jenny. So you make sure you make a post. Now let's go back to the Solana funded. Now coming back here, let's verify the task. Click on verify. Now click on verifying task. Wait for it. Boom, task verified successfully. Can you see that? Task has been verified successfully. So this is the step you need to do. And verifying your Discord account is the airdrop requirement for you to be among that will share this 600k. So what you need now is to share your referral link. I'm also going to share my referral link in the video description. Click on more, you will see it there. Go to the comment section, you also see it there. Do that, share your referral link to your friends and family. You never can tell, and something huge might come out from this. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.